Bitcoin holders are about to experience the biggest shift in history. So get ready, my friend. Yes, if you are a Bitcoin holder, you need to be ready for what is coming. As you see, guys, that the weekly candle here, it finished that candle here. Bitcoin here, it's still inside that megaphone as we told you here in the weekly. If you remember what else we said about it, we said for us to enter along, it's need at least the Bitcoin to close above exactly that level here, 79k till 69k. Till now, also we still inside it. Yes, that the second week in a row Bitcoin is being bullish. That's very good, but we haven't broken that level here. That level here is very stronger, so you need to be careful, my friend, what the Bitcoin going to do. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 like, and know you can do it. Yes, I know you can do it, my friend. So please smash that like button, which is down right with it a comment. Tell us your thought about Bitcoin. What you thinking? You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord, where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also today, as you see it here, we enter a short. What happened? It hit in the first take profit, then the market reverse kick us out. What we do again? We enter a long, as you see it here. It hitting for us the first take profit. We make nice profit from it. Then what we enter again? Look at it here. We enter a short, take some of the profit manually and move stop lose to entry point. Market kick us, but we don't lose, guys. That's the most important. We're making profit constantly. So if you are interested in those type of signals and you want to make profit constantly, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. You click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. If you don't see that VIP cryptocurrency, either you scroll if you are in a phone, or you came to that small arrow here and you click at it till you see that one, because I know you're going to come and you're going to find it like that. You just click at that one here like that till you see VIP cryptocurrency. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can just text me here in Patreon or in Discord and we're going to solve it for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, here in the weekly there is a lot of things I need to explain it to you. First thing, also we've been talking about that one a lot, but it's okay to repeat it because some people they just came now. We used to say we have here a cup and handle like that. Till now we couldn't break the neckline of it here. As you see it, we haven't break it yet. Another thing we got here now, is it a head and shoulder, guys? Till now we haven't break it yet. Some people they asking me from where they take profit on those things. People they been with us here from the start of that channel. We used to have here like a peanut here, that the peanut we used to have here, exactly like that. It used to be a peanut, it's getting broke here. The peanut, you bring that stick here and you do it like that to give you exactly the take profit of it. Till now we haven't reached to 130k exactly, and we got all those targets before. Let me show you all those things for you just came here to understand what else we're talking about. We said the first target is it exactly here at 174,505. That the first target of us, we need to take some of the profit there if we reach there. The second target of us is it here 275,000. I'm talking here about long term, and we got the third take profit, which is above more here. Is it at $500,000? So those ones the targets for us here in the Bitcoin. Till now us we haven't broken that last high here, so also we're still waiting what the Bitcoin going to do. If you remember that up channel, us we used to talk about it a lot here in that channel. What else we used to say about it here? We said when we touch the top of it here, market is going to stay sideways like that till it will touch in the lower of it. Till now we haven't touched the lower of that up channel, but let's see what's going to happen if that candle here, that pin bar here, that the bottom or no. Another thing happened here in the weekly, guys, very important. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? The Bitcoin, after it touching for us that 50 moving average, it's breaking for us the 20 moving average in the weekly. A very good sign. It happened even here. Then it happened that red candle was pushing the Bitcoin again down. Same thing now it happened. We're breaking above the 20 moving average. Let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to take above more than that or no. And that's my view personally. So if you're missing the entry from those ones down here when we reach that 49k, you doing like that. Look at it, a very clear downtrend, and you're waiting any candle to close above it. You need to buy, my friend. If you miss it, you're going to miss the chance of your life. That's the only thing I can tell you, because as I showed you before, the 100 moving average is crossing above the 200 moving average, and that never ever happened in Bitcoin. That's the first time in the history of Bitcoin that's happening. So you need to be ready, my friends. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week. So let's go in there. Coming news for all the week, guys. As you see it, is it here? Monday we don't got nothing, just a holiday in Japan. Plus we got SP Global US Manufacturing PMI and SP Global Service PMI. That one it will not affect a lot the cryptocurrency. Tuesday what we got? We got interest rate of the Aussie and consumer confidence of USA. So you need to be careful about the consumer confidence of USA. Then Wednesday what we got? We got new home sales and crude oil inventory. Let's see, because that new home sales is going to give you an indication about real estate in USA, how it doing. Thursday what we got? We got durable goods order, GDP of USA, initial jobless claim, and Fed Chair Powell speech. So you need to be careful about that one, guys. Then on Friday what we got? We got something very very important. Is it that one here? Inflation data or core PCI. So you need to be careful, guys. That's the news we got all this week. So you got two important days, Thursday and Friday. So you need to be careful about that 2 days. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also we're looking at it every day, guys. Here look at it, what it's telling us. Yes, stock market, Nasdaq and the SP, they start the week red, Dow Jones green, but that's just the start. We need to come back tomorrow to see how it's going to be. Down here is our friend the VIX. Currency and the fair, it's still very very low. That means there is nothing to be worried about. You just need to wait till the right time. There is nothing to be worried about, my friend. Fair and currency is still below in the average. There is nothing to be worried about. So I think picture is very very clear, guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the daily, guys. Here the Bitcoin in daily, it happens something very very important. That level here give us here the third pin bar there. Same like how me I told you in yesterday. What else we said here. Let me zoom it like that to show you those things. What else we talking about? We told you, look at it here. It's the same thing what happened here. Here the Bitcoin fall down. Maybe the same thing is going to happen even here. That's what me I told you in yesterday video. So should we enter a short based on that here in 4 hours? Not yet. Here in daily we need to wait in either the Bitcoin to break for us that last high here, or the top or the neckline of the W here, that one here. If we break it, that means more long, and I give you exactly to where I told you 76k. If we break in that where it needs to be, take profit of you. That means it's going to break for us that all-time high, which is at 74k. As we still wait in the second scenario, the Bitcoin going to give us here a price action in 4 hours or something, and also from here we're going to enter a short like how me I told you, like that, guys. So as we still waiting to where exactly is going to fall down. Another thing very very important here in daily, look at it here. What you got here that uptrend like that, and here in the top that one here. So you got here like a triangle, guys. You wait in that one. If the market break it, that means more long. If the market going to fall down, it's going to touch that uptrend. Even that one it's possible. So I think picture is very very clear, guys. Now we're going to see another very very important thing here in daily. Is it that one here? we touch the 200 moving average. That the third time. Look at it first, second, three times. We touch it three times. Every time we came to it, we found those was the one to short it. They got orders here. Let's see till they finish it. All of them they will be liquidated. Then from that we're going to see the Bitcoin going above. And me, I told you all that. Now for you to enter along, you are in a very stronger level. So you need to be careful, my friend. That's the only thing I can tell you. Even if that one here cross above the 50 moving average, is going to tell us the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. So also we need to wait to see what's going to happen exactly at that level here in the 200 moving average. I think picture is very clear, guys. Now it's going to see Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin in 12 hours, same thing like the daily. Also, we are in a very stronger level. Even the volume profile here, it started getting spiked there. The 20 moving average is cross even. The 200 moving average today above. That's very good sign here. It's telling us maybe the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. The levels you need to look close at them. Let me show it to you. Is it those ones, the levels? The first level where you are now, 64,255. Another level here, 68,141. Another level here in the top, 72,115. Those ones in the top. The down level is it the one here, 61,698. Another level down here, 59,043. So those was the levels you need to look at them and to see what the Bitcoin going to do. Till now there is nothing here telling you the market is going to fall down. Only same like how it happened here. We just touching here, then it fall down. Same thing now. Also, we are now in a distribution level. That's when a huge move is coming. We don't know exactly to where, either above or the market is going to fall down. So I think picture is very clear, guys. Now let's go to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum after it's breaking for us the neckline of the double bottom here, the one here. We told you exactly the take profit of it. We told you till the top here, and we show you all those take profit here. Look at it. I can even show you here the levels you need to look at them. Look at it. We just breaking that level here. It fell down and gave us here a pin bar. Now there is one of two, guys. The market is going to give you here a price action, and we're going to see the Ethereum falling down. That one it's possible. Second is going to give us here a continuation pattern. Then we're going to see the Ethereum going above till the 2,781 all till 2,800. That was my view personal, but it's not a financial advice, my friend. I think picture is very clear. What shall you do now here in the Ethereum? At this time there is no long, no short. The long it's being down here, as we've been talking about that thousands of times. Look at it where you are. We told you to enter from here. Some people they refuse. Look where you are now. I think picture is very clear. Now let's see our indicator. We're saying here in the Ethereum, guys. Our indicator it touched the first time and the second time the extreme overbought area. What shall we do? Me personally, if I'm using leverage, would have now started thinking of to take some of the profit because we don't know what's going to happen. But the buys of me like that one from here, that one from here, is it for long term? So me, I'm not going to take any profit now, and me I tell it to you here in that channel. My target for Ethereum, $10,000. I think picture is very clear, guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin we're thinking of after the double top here is going to fall down like how it happened here. But there is no power to push it down. Now we need to see what's going to happen, guys, here, because now here the market try to give us here like a flag here, a smaller flag here. If you go to lower time frames, it's going to be more clear. We need to wait it to see if the market going to break here more long for the short. If the market fall down and breaking down here, we need to enter a short. I know it's not clear. Let me zoom it. Look with me here now. If you came to the tails of those candles like that, you're drawing here a line, and those ones like that, and you came here like that, so you got here a flag. If the market break it above here, you need to go more long with it. If the market fall down, because if the market fall down, what is going to give you here? A triple top like that, and that indicating one thing: the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than doing that. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen now, guys. So I think picture is very clear. We don't need to waste more time here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, good news now here. Also we're still only in a place where is the bulls, the controlling. That means there is no bears yet. That's very good sign. I told you like that. You drawing here that uptrend here, and here in the chart you draw it like that. If it's going to be broken down one in the chart, the first confirmation is going to be down here in that indicator of us to break down here. Then you wait in the break to happen here for you to enter a short. For the long, I just told you, if it's breaking for you that last high or that 200 moving average in daily, you can enter more long with it. So I think picture is very clear, guys. Here we don't need to waste more time. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, us today will be scalping it like that from here till the top here, from down here. That's why also we enter that 3 times based on those candles here. Now what shall we do? Because look at it, that the flag may I show you in daily. Exactly, you can do it like that. Or in 4 hours, sorry. That the flag, guys, you see it? You got here a horizontal channel, very clear horizontal channel. Also we call it distribution level here. That one is going to be one of two. Bitcoin is going to break here and we need to go more long. That's the first thing. Second thing, we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down and breaking lower here, and we need to enter a short, guys, because that one, as also we've been teaching you about based on that Wyckoff and those things. So you need to be careful, my friend, what the Bitcoin going to do now. If you are a scalper, what you need to do, when the Bitcoin came here, you enter a short to down here. When the Bitcoin touching here, you enter a long till the top here. That's how you need to catch in the smaller moves if you want to make money like how us we doing. But you need to be careful about something, my friend. Look at it here. If you came here, that the first time when we touch that 200 moving average in daily, second time when we touch it, and that one here is the third time. Now it's going to be the fourth time. If we touch it the fourth time, you need to be careful, because those people here, they being selling, the power of them, it doesn't get like how it used to be before. Even for down, you need to be careful. Even for down, it's being touch first, second, third, and that's the fourth. Even if it falls down, it's going to be the fifth time. So you need to be careful, my friend. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now what shall you do? You came here and you to that one here, and you do here that line, and down here you do a line like that, and you waiting where is the break going to be. Above, more long, down here, more short. How to know the take profit for that one? You came, you do it like that. The place where it's going to be, you do it like that, my friend. If it's breaking down, it's going to fall down exactly to 61k, and I'll show you the levels in 12 hours. If it's breaking above here, it's going to go to 65k. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Bitcoin. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the extreme overbought area level. You are in a very strong level. Should we enter a short based on that? You know me, I don't do that. I need a price action or something here telling me I need to enter a short. That's why I'm still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours, guys. If you want exactly when us we enter, we're putting stop loss, we're putting take profit, I told you what to do. So that's it for that video, guys, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.